most people waste thousands on English speaking classes. But this one free course helped over 8 lakh learners speak English fluently, and hardly anyone knows about it. If you're serious about speaking English confidently, stay till the end because I'll show you how to track your progress and master every lesson like a pro. First, open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type LearnVern. A link will appear. Below the link, you will see Spoken English course written. Click on it. After that, if you look on the left side, you'll notice the course rating, which is 4.7 out of 5. That's really impressive. Along with that, you'll also see the number of active learners. Right now, a total of 841,774 people have enrolled in this course. From this, you can clearly understand how valuable and popular this course is. After that, when you scroll down a little, you will see all the key features of this course. The course includes 67 articles and over 18 hours of video content. There are also practice exercises, which you can solve to improve your skills. Below that, you will find an option for a certificate. After that, you will see an overview of the course. Here, it explains what this course is about, what topics are covered, and what skills you will gain by the end of it. Below that, you'll find the course content. There are many articles, and each article has different chapters. You just need to click on a video, watch it carefully, and keep learning step by step. Towards the end, you will also find interview questions to prepare for real-life interviews. Finally, there is career guidance, which will help you plan your future. After checking everything, click on the link of the first video. The video will open. I'll enlarge the video to show you clearly how it runs. After that, if you want to check your progress and see how far you've come, click on the progress button. Here, you'll be able to see how many units, assignments, and quizzes you finished. And once you complete one video, you should move on to the next video and keep learning step by step. Apart from this, you can also share your course too. You can also search for other courses on the platform and explore more learning options. And once you complete one video, you should move on to the next video and keep learning step by step. This single free course can literally change your life, but only if you take action today. Go to the pinned comment now, click the link, and start your journey to becoming fluent in English.